It's grim. Hey yo, you ever wake up one day, so offense, just realize you're an idiot, and you're just really dumb? That's me. I broke a heart once, they told me it was karma. I told them it was nonsense to listen to the drama. She told me she was older, but she acted immature, and that I kinda liked in a protective way. Of course, she used to act real shy, real clingy. Again, I really liked that. She needed me, timid, and unbelievably I left her. She was the perfect human being, soul down to the chest up. She made me say things that I had never thought. She made me nervous, that was every time we talked. She used to sit next to me wherever we went. We used to know each other, but I'm as dumb as it gets, cause every time I got close, I was afraid to get closer. Easier to run, so I ran. I was so nuts, cause I was blind then. I see now, I see what I didn't see, and it was so loud. I'm not proud to be an idiot for so long, cause I said so long, and I was so wrong. But you were so gone, but now I realize, cause the only thing that I can think when looking in your eyes is love is a four-letter word, I don't believe it, but action is a six-letter word that you can see and feel. And if you really feel love, you can see it. I see it, I feel it, believe it, it's real. And love is a four-letter word, I don't believe it, but action is a six-letter word that you can see and feel. And if you really feel love, you can see it. I see it, I feel it, believe it, it's real. And she had things you don't forget as a guy. She had the long blonde hair and big beautiful eyes. You can't just forget her, but you wish that you could, cause every time you lay down, you'd rather stay down instead of wake up. Wait, I think that it's her. Wasn't scared to say a thing, cause I had known her before. She gave me a hard time, forgave but not forgotten. She made me take the high road, got home and just felt rotten. Next day, still had a number, couldn't help it, had to call her. Man, she didn't answer, so the message tone was brought up. Hey, this is Richie, just to see what you were doing. I've been thinking about you lately and just wondering where you went. I was nervous, didn't know just what to say, but hey, here's my number, call me back, I'll see you later. Click, I think I just embarrassed myself. She's probably not gonna call me back. I was